In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, the story of a self-taught inventor from Old Harbour, St. Catherine, who hopes his handmade creations will one day land him his dream job. Kian Morgan has details.
Consider him a child at heart. Making toy trucks from scraps, Alric Johnson, an inventor, says challenge is his middle name.
From a small, just love to build things. We never get a toy where you have to push. I always like somewhere you can, I'm like them, just the movements of them just make me get excited.
Adding his creativity to everything he touches, cardboard, plastic, fudge sticks, or anything electronic. Alric says building toy trucks is a stress reliever. He recalls the first time he was inspired.
I was watching a documentary and I saw a little boy build a truck that you could see the steel, like the smoke come out of the thing, and he's like, I said, no man, young youth like that, but it's like the way it move, it just get me excited, and it's like me just have to try it. And the first time I try it and I actually see it work, from there I just love it.
And don't be mistaken, his toys aren't stationary. Alric, a bus driver by profession, says during the COVID-19 lockdown, he had time on his hands, which he invested towards growing his collection.
Anything when I build and it actually work is like a joy. When you're on Christmas morning and you get like a tie, and you tie with it, you even ask for it, you get like a happiness there. Yeah, that I get.
And his creativity doesn't stop here. Take a look at this. This is a motor from an old fridge. When plugged in, connected to this bottle of gasoline, it produces fumes. The fumes then go to this bottle of water, which produces oxygen. The fumes, along with the oxygen, then produces fire. And there you have it, an electric stove.
It was one Sunday when it was at 2 o'clock lockdown. I was cooking, and the gas finished. Him start spin because we couldn't buy the gas at that time. And him say, I got to do something. Me see him start line up him buckle with the water, and him beg me go buy some gas over the gas station, and we did it and him fix it up. When him done now, me say, Al, me no feel say that can cook it pot, and he say, just Shelly can do it. Put on the pot, it boil up, and me cook dumpling, yam and ackee and saltfish, and it was a dish because people from all about come and eat too.
Alric, who has no professional training, says his aspirations go beyond building toys.
I'd like to be an engineer, because like I said, I love to create.
But for now, he'll continue to expand his collection.
We even have a plane in mind. I ordered the parts them already, so next time you see me, I'll be flying.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.